granddaughter and my daughter. Check that. Mad. Veteran TV family. Ah, you see them? Mad thing, daddy. I know the old veteran step out wicked. I know when I play it when we come. New clocks for foot and some sitting. I know a whole heap of sitting that. See pray. Top shot of that, and my granddad. Here people. To the world. You know, we're there, you know. Such placed. Not the day people. Unto the Lord, give thanks. I son that. Big up Father God. Check this. See my blood them. Real bloodline them here. My daughter and my granddaughter. Look at this. Royalty. Mad. Yeah, we need to care about children more. Put some more effort. Put some more strength in caring about kids. And the elder them to big them up. Royalty. Family. Ah. Yeah, man. To the world, you know a veteran TV and you know I love view the place and make you know so I'm active, don't. Yeah, man. Real thing. Yeah, man. The sun ablaze. Such place. Yeah. My daughter hang out, you know. Now the water I see here. See them? My son-in-law. Happy life, me saying. Veteran TV. Naturally.